Hydrofracturing operations can use anywhere from 1 million to 10 million gallons of water in a single well. And the problem with hydrofracturing and its use of water is when the water returns to the surface of the earth, oil and gas companies today typically re-inject that water into a disposal well. Because of the contaminants that are in it, it really can't be reused.
This system is designed to be able to deal with exceedingly high levels of contamination.
Oil and gas companies use our platforms to clean up the water that's used in the fracking process. So as they perform a hydrofracture operation, the water comes back out of the ground contaminated with various metals and contaminants. And Omni uses its mobile treatment platform to clean that up so that the oil and gas companies can reuse that water instead of throwing it away.
What we did was we took the intelligence of water treatment experts, somebody that had 10, 15 years of experience in water treatment, and used the advances in technology and analytic technology to feed that water information into a computer-based control system that responds to whatever the water contaminants are. And then it configures the hardware in the most efficient manner to give you the water treatment quality that we all expect.
This machine processes about 20 gallons a minute. Our next machine will process more like 80 to 90 gallons a minute, and then the machine that we'll put out at the end of the year will be in the order of 175 gallons a minute. It enables us to move from the sort of the prototype testing phase to the volume manufacturing phase. So we're in the middle of making our first full-scale units, and those will hit the market later this summer.
We're looking at the oil and gas space. There's areas in this country where these locations are on pretty narrow, underdeveloped roadways, and so you can't really get some big, oversized, really heavy piece of equipment in. We need to stay within the constraints of what can safely travel up and down the road, and the traditional van approach for a semi-truck seems to be the most effective mechanism for the oil and gas space.
In fact, we can be up and on-site and operating in less than 2 hours. We see really a tremendous desire on the part of the oil and gas industry to change the way that they do business, to make better use of their resources, of the resources that we're all entrusted with. And we think we deliver an economical solution to that.